This is your main event of the evening. Shahbaz and Bruno Assis.
Wow.
Just a reminder, we still have our Influencer Fight Club portion coming up at the conclusion of this main card. Your first half of this interim title fight. Bruno Assis, 28 years old, very extensive record with karate combat. Has fought for us 10 times. 6 of those victories. Has never been stopped inside the pit. He's a black belt in Shotokan. He's done a lot of cross-training lately in mixed martial arts. He is extremely tough. You've heard from Bas, he will bite down on his gum shield and go for it. But he's got that. His opponent is this man, Shahbaz King Khan Rind. 26 years old, undefeated in the pit at 5-0. He's a third-degree black belt in Wushu. And he really does have an all-around striking game. He's got great kicks. He mixes up his offense very, very well. And as you heard, he's got a lot of support in the house, a lot of support back home in Pakistan as well.
Enter the pit.
Mint your free time capsule at DeLoreanLabs.com. This is your chance to win a new DeLorean EV and other iconic prizes, including VIP Karate Combat pitside seats. Keep an eye out for the next exclusive drop. Hashtag WhenDeLorean. Your referee for this interim title fight is Mark Goddard.
I'm excited. Ooh, it all comes down to this.
Yeah, Rind is going to carry a very slight reach advantage into this one. You know, Bruno Assis has been in there with some truly elite level kickboxers, the likes of Gabriel Varga back in 2022. You know, the questions that both Rocha and Assis were posing to Rind was, hey, what is the quality of the opponent? But a great start from Rind early.
All week he called him fake fighter, fake fighter. Let's see how real he is.
Oh, big left.
Yep.
That's that blitz, that traditional Shotokan blitz entry. First to the punch. To recover, what a chin the Pakistani has.
Oh,
but Bruno Assis first to the punch twice.
Whoa. Yeah. Assis. Oh,
again he lands the left.
God, Assis has his number. He's got his number.
The question is, can he keep doing it? Again on the blitz. Rind does a good job of nullifying and slowing this time, and that's good defensive work.
Very good, especially because they're not sweating yet. He can't slip out. Smart from Bruno Assis.
I mean, at this point, Rind's got to be rethinking this whole game plan.
He cannot attack with his kicks. He needs to start attacking with his hands. Getting countered.
Yeah, Rind actually looking a little bit nervous for a second.
Yeah, 100%. He's blinking a lot.
And a right.
Yeah,
shoots a big double. It's a big pickup. You can't do that though. You can't commit directly to a double leg.
You cannot step in a double leg. This is a hard warning. You do it again, I take a point, okay?
And that's his final warning as well.
We have never seen Rind like this before.
Never.
Oh, and he's the right. Assis swarms again. Trying to get some hammer. What a kick from Bruno Assis! The Brazilian is pushing forward with 30 seconds left.
Wow! We said it.
Is this going to be a 10-8 boss?
I mean, yeah, the White Dragon is hungry. Whoa, he connected with some good shots.
The look on Shahbaz's face right now is shock.
Oh, again, Assis tries to close. The blitz has been working for him so well. Final 10 seconds. And I think they're just going to see this one out. Rind is going to go back to his corner. And Rind is going to the wrong corner.
Oh, it's not good. His mind is not good.
Well, this minute is He needs it, right?
He really needs it. Yeah.
Take a look at the replays. It was a good start from Rin, but as soon as the blitz came in from Assis.
You see this a lot with taller opponents. They keep their chin up because normally they always look over their opponents. He did this takedown, which was not a takedown that is legal at Karate Combat. He got a big warning from it from Mark Goddard.
I'm just in a little bit of shock right now.
Yeah,
because you get
this was insane.
Because you get so used to seeing Rin in such a dominant.
Yep.
I'm shocked that wasn't a knockout.
Amazing that he indeed kept standing because he's been hit quite a few times now and kicked in the face.
Yeah, there's a small cut over the eye of Shahbaz.
Now here's the thing, Assis also has to be mindful that Rin still has that crazy knockout power. He's got to be, you know.
Yeah, but we know also that Assis can do this for 6 rounds.
Of course.
Yeah, the question is the blitz still going to have, and they're 10-9s across the board, so first round in the books for the Brazilian.
He's lucky because I could have been a 10-8.
I think you would have had a good case for it, right?
Yep.
It's just so weird to see Rin moving backwards.
Yeah, we've never seen it.
I have a feeling he's going to pull a lot of creative stuff out right now.
Well, if he can survive this and come back from it, that says a lot, but that's a hard one because Assis,
oh man,
he's got the momentum.
It seems like any time Rin goes off center for a kick, Assis is going to go straight down the pipe at his face.
There's the blitz again. He's got to use that speed and intention advantage, right? Action is faster than reaction.
Whoa! It's a fight.
Well, Assis is backing up a lot here.
He's breathing a little heavier too.
Yeah, but again, we know he can go.
Yep.
And even when he's tired, he's got so much heart, he's going to keep on coming forward. Says he needs to watch out with his chin and keep standing up. And that's a target for those big left and right hooks that Bruno Assis loves tonight.
Nice sweep.
Good counter from Rind. Catches the kick, looking for ground and pound. Gets one shot off. Just the kick, looking for ground and pound. Gets one shot off, but tied up in close guard here.
Smart from Assis here to wrap him up because that will stop the ground and pound.
Yeah, there's been a good amount of MMA training from Assis over the last couple of years. We've seen him really adapt to understanding how he needs to use those defensive ground positions. The token holders, 23 million karate tokens wagered or voted on this bout. 78% of them believe it's going to go to Rin.
Well, they're being on the edge of the seats right now.
Yeah, a little bit nervous.
Yeah. But you're right, Assis is breathing a little heavy though.
Yep. And it's round 2, so that's...
Oh, man, those swings, man.
Yeah, we haven't seen him blitz all that much. Good posture from Rind. Surprise. I was going to say, looking for Mark Goddard to stop this one. About 10 seconds left here.
He's a little slow to get up, looking at the corner.
Yeah, and looking at his corner the whole time.
Looking at his corner. Now it's going to come down to cardio once again here.
Wow, guys.
Well, neither of them heard the end of round.
It's very loud in here right now.
Oh man, the people.
Here's the thing, guys. Do you think there's just a little bit of momentum and zip has gone out of Bruno Assis in this second round?
I think so. I think he felt that it was near, and after that kick to the face, and then he still get up. You know, it's hard because he gave some really hard shots. I mean, any normal person would have been down, right? I mean, that was nice there.
Apparently,
nice elbow.
You guys can't see it on the program when we look at the replays. Bruno Assis is really taking some deep breaths in the corner. He hasn't chosen to sit down, boss.
Probably by design. Sometimes sitting down can give you that restful feeling. It's like not always the
I'm not a big thing of sitting down. Yeah, no, you want to keep the body
loose, limber, awake. But he is breathing heavy, dude.
Yep. Yep. Wow, who would have thought this?
Oh man, this is going to be interesting.
Can he land another one of those big punches? Because you can only.
Yeah, he's looking tired, and Rind is looking ready.
You can see in the live scoring, we're all square here at 19 apiece. All three judges giving that second round to Shahzaib. Big ground and pound from Rind here. Looking to be the first man to stop Bruno Assis.
Well, good luck with that, but it's looking good. But still, we're talking about Assis.
It's a horrible position to get stuck in. It's very hard to maneuver your hips in the corner of the pit there.
What the hell? Shahzaib thought the fight was over.
Turn around, fight. Oh, it's a fight. It's a dog fight.
Well, Bruno Assis backing up, but still trying to come forward. Big knee, good response from Rind. He's got to be careful, willingly going to the ground in these positions.
He's got to watch out, though, because he never fought 5 fights. You don't want to empty your gas tank. Because those punches are not going to knock him out, but they take power away. Shots.
I mean, he's saying that Bruno has got to move, and he tries to turn in on a single leg. I think he's done enough there to find some respite.
Yeah, Assis is tired. He's tired.
He's got to answer the call here.
Oh, God.
We've never seen Assis this winded.
No. He could have been one of the body kicks that he got underneath.
Yeah, what he's got to do is avoid going to the ground at all costs, really, because Rind's got his number with the posture and the ground and pound.
Knees to the body.
If I was Rind, I'd just look for a takedown here.
He's doing it.
Well, this could be the end here. It's good posture from Rind. Standing, throwing these strikes.
Assis has got to get out of there. He's got to get out of that corner.
It's so hard to move in this corner. And that's going to do it. Shahzaib Rind is the interim lightweight belt holder.
What the heck? He needs to go back to the drawing board, though, because that cannot happen. Whoa. Wow.
He had to come through some adversity there.
Fantastic. Wow. Wow, Assis though, man. Body shot. Wow, what a flip around, right?
The whole country. After the first round,
when he came up, I said you scared me a little bit there. He goes unexpected. That's what he said.
Yeah.
So clearly he was a little bit surprised by Assis's, attack.
Let's take a look at some of the replays here.
Yeah, he's carrying his whole country on his shoulders. He refused to go down.
Yeah, I mean, he ate some shots in that first round.
Wow.
We get some replays at the end of the fight there, which had a good show of respect in the corner.
Yeah,
from
I like
Rind and
that.
Assis.
This is actually, believe it or not, really good for Rind, right? I mean, now he knows that he can go through
some adversity. He can take some shots.
Wow.
Can still dig deep. Yeah, Roker is standing with the belt on.
Yeah, Roker knows now. Hooks to the head are the key to victory. And Roker's got a lot of power. Wow.
Well, let's go ahead and get the official decision.
Woo. The winner by a TKO from Pakistan, Shahbaz.
he needs to fix that hole in his game because Roca is a power hitter.
Shahbaz, you are the new interim Karate Combat World Champion, but we didn't know you had that dog in you.
First of all, Alhamdulillah for everything. I'm nothing, God give me everything. Yeah man, God give me everything. Yeah man, I have, you know, I've been training for this very long and it's my life. So when I step inside the pit, I forget everything. When I'm here, I'm prepared for die. I can be die here. I will never give up.
But that first round was tough. Talk me through that. You got dropped a couple of times. What was going through your mind after that first round?
Yeah, first round I got hit. It was very hard hit. I got dropped and I was thinking like, you know, this is not the end. This is just the beginning. I have prepared for this very long. So this won't be the end for me. So that's why this gives me push and strength to move forward. And one more thing. This title is nothing. In this world, listen everyone, I have a very important message. Listen everyone, I have a very important message. This title is nothing. In this world, there is a lot of wars happening. Russia, Ukraine, Palestine, Israel, Pakistan, India. A lot is happening. Pakistan, India, a lot is happening. We all are humans. Why we are fighting? We have to stop this war and we have to promote peace. And I know there is a man who can stop all the war in the world. Donald Trump.
All right, Shahbaz, I get it, man. We want peace. But before we have peace, we need to unify these belts. The man right there holds.
Hey, Donald Trump, I know in 2024 you will be the president and I want you to stop the war in all the world. Thank you so much.
But we can't stop this war right here between the current champion . Is this the fight that you guys want to see? Is this the fight that you want to see? Hey, Bryn!
You know, if Shahbaz would have landed a head kick in 30 seconds and dropped Bruno Assis, that would have proved us nothing at all. What he needed was that experience of being the nail. It's easy to be the hammer, man, but sometimes when you're the nail, you need to prove, not to us, doesn't matter what we believe. Shahbaz needed to prove to himself he can be the nail and come back, rise up, rise over it, deal with those thoughts, those fears, those human insecurities when you're on the wrong side, and come back and win. He now has that experience, and he will carry it with him when he faces Luis Roca.
Well, thank you, Robin. Guys, we have a title fight set probably for the end of the year here. Shahbaz Bryn taking on Luis Roca.
I mean, it might happen right now.
It might, but while we get this squared away here, here's a quick preview of what is coming up immediately. It is the Influencer Fight Club. We've got 5 bouts for you. Let's go ahead and take a look at that sizzle. Well, hang on a second, because I think President Asim is trying to smooth the waters over here to say the injury to Luis Roca is legitimate. He appreciates you're a legitimate challenger.
what I'm saying. Right now, Roka is hurt. No more touching. We want the best Roka possible. This will be the biggest fight in karate combat history.
Because we don't want to
These two
injure him
martial
any
artists are
further.
phenomenal. We want two healthy fighters in December.
Well, get him out of the fucking pit.